Let's learn how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. I will show this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So let us start by opening our Facebook application. Now you will have to go to menu with those three dots. Once you're here, check this settings and privacy tab and open settings. That's first on the list. Now you'll have to go to Account Center. To do that, just press on this See More in Account Center button. Once you do that, go to Account Settings and click on Password and Security. Now you will have to go to this two-factor authentication, that second in a row. Just tap on that and go to your Facebook account. And now you will have to go to your authentication that you done. I am on SMS, so I will click here, and you'll just have to click on this blue button to turn it off. As you can see, pop-up appear, turn off, press yes, and two-factor is removed. As you can see, now we are on page to add a new. If you don't want, just go back and you are done. You removed your two-factor authentication. So thanks.